Hi, it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here with Brendan Carne from Lazer and Electronics. Nice to see you.
Hello.
How you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Good.
It's a great show.
It's been good, yeah?
Yeah, very good so far.
Great stuff.
Lots of interest.
Yeah, so tell me, Lazer as a business has been around for over 40 years.
Yes.
And your partnership, or you're the distributor of LPKF in the UK and Europe, and that's been for the continual period of the business.
We are UK and Ireland.
Okay.
Yes, distributor.
So UK and
for
Ireland,
42 years. So we started in 1984
Okay.
when LPKF was 6 people. Now they think they have 483 people selling in every country in the world. So
Okay.
we've always just been the people for UK and Ireland.
Okay.
Selling rapid prototyping for electronics rapid prototyping. That's what I call it. Yeah.
Okay. And with regard to sort of what you've seen, the changes, the technology that's been happening over the years, how's LPKF fitting there? How are they sitting? What's new?
Well, it started with milling machines. For making a prototype circuit board, there's 2 ways to do it. You acid etch it, which a lot of the colleges used to do. Now we've replaced all those with milling machines because it's a clean, dry process.
Okay.
So you etch, or you do it by milling. So we started with the very first machine in 1976, before I even got involved, was a pantograph.
Okay.
So you drew in pencil your circuit board, and then you traced over it, and on the other side of the pantograph there was a spindle motor drilling and milling. Yeah. Then they got CNC control in it. Then they were running off the Apple IIe, so then we could digitize drill holes and draw lines. And then the IBM PC came along.
Okay.
And that's when I got involved.
Okay.
84, we had the IBM PC. We started with that, yeah. Yeah, and then it evolved on from there onto lasers. I think in 1991 they made a laser for making the prototype circuit board, for ablating the copper. That was very successful. And then this is a famous story, quite funny. In LPKF, somebody says to them, "You could make stencils with that." And they said, "What's a stencil?" And now LPKF is the biggest manufacturer in the world of stencil lasers. So every bureau, because they make the fastest machine available, we have 2 of them.
Okay.
In our bureau service, Sparks. And so they got big into lasers. But the biggest breakthrough that I can see is the Proto Laser H4.
Okay.
Price performance ratio is unbelievable. It's half the price of what we sold before.
Wow, okay.
It's a desktop. It's that big. Sitting on a desktop, it'll do a 12 by 9 inch board. And we have some little samples I'll show later on the stand.
Okay.
Little microwave boards. The reason we show that is a lot of ground plane gets removed. That board takes 2 minutes and 38 seconds.
Wow,
to
okay.
produce.
Okay.
It is, I call it the holy grail of PCB prototyping.
And this is a new product.
Yeah, it's not brand new. It's probably a year.
Okay.
We've just got our demo system a few months ago, and now we're showing it to, and there's just so much interest in it.
Wow, okay.
Because of the speed, and it can do the milling machines can do 100 micron. That's 4th hour track and gap. The laser will do 50 micron track and gap.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. And that's what we guarantee across the whole surface. But I've seen customers with the milling machine doing 50 micron over a small board area, and I've seen customers with the laser doing 25 micron.
Wow, okay.
You can't get finer than that.
No, of course.
It disappears.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds amazing. And like you said, there's lots of interest in it. There's
loads, absolutely loads.
Brilliant, great
Because
stuff.
now we've set up with, I won't say who they are, but it's a leasing company. LPKF products are so well recognised by leasing companies. They have resale value after 5 years is 50 or 60% of what it costs new.
Wow, it's a no-brainer.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah.
So security is there for them. We even do buyback if a customer wants to buy it and they're not been around long enough, or they don't have strong enough economics figures. We do a buyback.
Okay.
So if they default, we just buy it back.
Amazing.
Obviously it depreciates something, but we buy it back. Yeah.
Okay.
And so we can do 7-year leasing.
Okay.
and a 7-year leasing, you can get the milling machine, which is 24,000, about £360 a month.
Wow.
You can have that facility in-house. The laser's about 1,200 a month.
Okay.
So you have that facility in
Yeah.
your premises, make
Brilliant.
your own boards. Yeah.
Great. Fantastic.
And it's not the money. We always say save time and money with LPKF. That was one of our slogans. It's not the money you save, it's the time.
Yeah.
You can calculate the money saving. You can say, how much did I spend on prototype? 24-hour turnaround, 2-day, 3-day turnaround. They're all premiums.
Yeah.
Especially in Ireland. In Ireland, you pay £1,000 for a fast turnaround, one circuit board.
Yeah.
So, but that's not the biggest saving. I reckon 10 times more than that financial saving is getting your product to market
Exactly,
6 months earlier than it would have been. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
You can make 4, 5, 6, 7. I see people make 10 different revisions of a circuit board in one day.
Wow. Okay.
You can't beat that.
No, of course, of course. So that obviously the interest is still there in the UK market. You've still got this sort of it's still got these developments that are happening.
When I got involved with it, first of all, I thought this is going to be a nice little business for 4 or 5 years. And after that, something else will come along. Well, something else did come along, which is the lasers, but it came from the same company. So here I am, 42 years later, nearly 70 years old.
You're not that old.
I am. In a few weeks, I'm 70.
Well, congratulations.
And still doing exhibitions because I love it.
Yeah.
I like seeing people's faces when they walk up and they say, "Is that doing what I think it's doing?" I said, "Yep." He said, "No chemicals." That's right. Complete dry clean process.
Yeah.
No chemicals.
Yeah.
And it blows
Amazing.
them away.
Yeah, absolutely amazing.
But you'd be amazed how many people come on. That's the first time I've ever seen it. I said, "Oh, I've only been flogging these for 42 years. Where have you been? What rock have you been under?"
Oh, brilliant. That's great stuff. Well, it sounds amazing, Brendan. It sounds like you've got a real passion for the industry still, which is great, which is important, and that you're still educating and showing people that there's opportunities out there.
Yeah.
Great stuff. Thank you very much for
Come
sharing.
and have a look at the machine later.
We will do, yes.
Bring your cameras.
We will bring the cameras. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
All right.
Cheers. Thank you.